Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can bypass rate limit onto websites. So we are going to test on this CloudFare's testing page on which we will test the rate limit. On this page, if you refresh the browser 10 times, in under 1 minute, this page will block your IP. So basically rate limit your IP for 1 minute. The approach that I'm going to teach you on this website is what you can try on all other live websites, and you will be able to find a vulnerability. You can try this approach to hunt bugs for any website that you like which implements a rate limit, and you will be able to bypass it. So I'm going to try on this website that am I able to bypass this rate limit test or not. So for testing purposes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this request into my Burp suite. So I've taken the request already in my Burp suite. Let me just hit go, and you can see I've already sent it one request and I'm getting 200 OK, which means the website is not rate limiting. Let me reload it once more. It is not rate limiting yet. Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a timer of 1 minute. Before putting the timer, and by putting the timer, I'm going to check that if the website is rate limiting me, or am I able to bypass the rate limit process under 1 minute. So I will just quickly go to I'll send this request to intruder, and I've already sent this to intruder. Okay, in my intruder tab, I'll just go to my payload options and choose null payloads, because I don't want to add any position. I just want to send all the null payloads as it is. As you can see, I'm generating 12 payloads, which means I'm going to hit the request 12 times. In the options tab, I'm going to set the threads in the request engine, that is 100 threads, which means I'm going to raise the requests very fast. Remember guys, this option can also be used for attacks like race conditions. Fine, I think everything is ready to go. So I'm just going to start this attack now. So before starting the attack, let me start the timer. I've started the timer. Let me go quickly here, start the attack. And you can see my all 10 payloads have been sent. Okay, let me just cancel this, go to repeater, hit go, and you can see I'll be rate limited. Yes, too many requests, I'm rate limited. Let me just go to fake IP, give a loopback IP, too many requests. Let me again try once more. Let's say again loopback IP, and let me try to hit go. Too many requests. Let me try a random IP. So when I'm doing this, you guys can see this application keeps on adding new IP addresses. So let me again try to give a loopback IP, and still not able to bypass. Let me see random IP, right click, fake IP, let's say input IP, we give an IP that is 182.18.12.12. let's hit go. Too many requests, fake IP, let's again give a loopback IP. So basically we are giving so many headers. Fake IP, again this, let's hit go. Yes, one more time. So our timer is up guys, and let's see. Yes, the timer is up and we were not able to bypass this. Now it came 200 okay after the 1 minute. So let me just mute this. Yes, so this is one way that you can test for rate limiting bugs. So we were not able to bypass the rate limit onto this page, obviously, because this page blocks the request on CloudFare server. So this was one of the way that you can test for these types of bugs. I hope you guys understood. Thank you so much.